advancing the health of animals with those who care for them every day, so we can all live better together. That is what drives us. That is our purpose.
Because we are all connected. We breathe the same air, we feed from the same sources, we live in the same spaces.
Humans, animals, plants, all together in the balance where the well-being of each depends on that of all the others.
At the heart of its ecosystem is animal health. By taking care of it, we protect our living world, allowing it to flourish, to shine in all its beauty.
Since our foundation by a veterinarian in 1968, we've been striving to improve the health and the welfare of a great variety of species.
Every day at Virbac, we search for new ways that respect the inner nature of animals and help veterinarians, farmers, and owners all over the world.
Through a unique, close relationship, we share with them our pharmaceutical, biological, nutritional, and diagnostic solutions to prevent and treat the majority of pathologies.
To innovate together, we link their needs to the latest technological advances while guaranteeing the world's highest quality standards. We are constantly exploring what lies beyond the horizon.
Side by side with partners who share our values, whether it be startup companies, universities, research centers, or larger organizations with development and manufacturing capabilities.
At Virbac is the sharing and diversity of human relationships that unite and propel us. We pay attention to each other, making sure that everyone feels part of the same family.
Part of the same international cross-cultural team, where everyone contributes to their own development to bloom, seize the initiative, and make a difference. That's what makes the Virbac adventure unique.
Individually and collectively, we all have an impact on the health of the living world.
At Virbac, all our decisions, discoveries, and actions are undertaken in a spirit of sharing and responsibility towards all beings.
Beyond integrity and ethics, our commitment to meaningful activity is at the heart of our corporate culture.
From preserving biodiversity and natural resources to helping mitigate climate change.
We are Virbac, a proud history, and together, an even brighter future. Committed every day to a healthier future for animals, for health, and for life.